Now today we're going to play with the 65, the 75, they're both analog, and the 75 with the 04, so nice and pretty. But let's have some fun with the 65 first. So this will be the first time flying this 65 Air with the BetaFPV new controller. Okay, we're recording on the goggles. We are on the drone. Oh, we don't have a full battery. Let's just do a little flight and see what's what. Yeah, look, straight away low battery. Okay, let's bring it back and change that. Oh, that's better. Whoop. Oh, I've got no battery. That battery's dead. Good. What is happening with the batteries? I haven't used these tiny 1S's for a while. That's not a good sign. I'd say that battery's not good at all. I had no power. Initially, it looked good. I think this is these bunch of batteries I had issues with in the UK, and that's going back to August, and we're now December, so I probably just need to clear out these 1S's. Okay, so the goal today is to do this. Oh, okay, that didn't work. But yeah, there's a slide there. I wonder if I can, actually, should we just try and go down it? Lost signal. Okay, let's swap over to the 75 now. Okay, so a little bit more sensible now. So a bit heavier. I wonder though, first attempt. Okay, let's take you over there. See what we're dealing with. Okay. So here's the slide. Let's see if we can get up it. Nope. Okay. Check my stuff. Shouldn't really leave that over there, but there we go. Let's try going down. There's definitely some wind today. Okay. That wasn't the cleanest, was it? Oh, closest yet, closest yet. Oh, okay. Come on, Paul. Maybe we've got one more attempt with this battery. There we go. Yes. Well done. That's better. Okay, as we can see, we're much prettier. Let's have a little fly around the path here. And then we'll have a go at the slide. Probably need to put, yeah, I need to put a new battery on. I blame the battery for that. It wasn't, it was because I just came from the analog. I've lost the antenna. I've got some spare ones. Okay, I need to attach or glue that on a little bit better next time. I think it will still fly, but just not very well. I can't get very far. Let's see if I can get up the slide. Okay. Okay, so this is with no aerial. I don't think I can blame the aerial though for terrible flying. Wind. What the shit? Oh my god. Okay, lost a little bit signal there. It's pretty good though without an aerial. Oh, we've took the camera out as well. My goodness. Sorry guys, that didn't work, did it? Up this slide. So we're going to go around here and see. Well, we made it. It wasn't pretty, but we made it. That the wind. It's getting worse. Let's try. Oh, tree. Let's try one more. Oh, not the best approach. No, that was never going to work, was it? That one's better. We'll take that. Considering we have no aerial and considering the wind, pretty happy we've done that with the digital and the analog. Took more tries than it probably should have. But let me know if you have any quests. Let me know if you have any advice, and I will speak to you guys in the next one.